Hello, welcome to the Mastercam courses. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about trim two entities options. When I am click here, we can see the type. We can select trim or break options. After that, we need to decide our method. Our method can be auto, trim one entity, trim two entity, and trim three entities. Okay. So if I am click trim three entities, I can click here, here, and here, and then we're gonna get that kind of solution. I can also add some and here different example. For example, like this. Can click here and trim three entities, this one, and this one. Okay. We can also turn to actually trim two entities. But I am click here, I can select that one and that one and that one and that one. We can also click here and here and this one and this one. Okay, let's turn here. This is trim one entity. I need to select my line and then I can select my cutter line. This is my cutter and this is my trimmed line. Okay. We can also click here and here. This is the actually left side to of my line. I can also click here and here, and this one and this one. Okay. And that's all about actually trimming options. If I am click break options here and click here and here, it means that after that process, you're gonna get that line and that line. Actually, we can split our line by using that line. That line is still and the same, but I can break that line like this. Okay, we can also use this one, and this one. Okay, let's click here and trim three entities, this one, and this one. Okay, all of them break like this. Okay, and this is trim two entities options.